Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today our subject name is Managerial Economic. Our topic name is Investment Analysis. What is investment analysis? Investment analysis is the process that help evaluate investment industry trends and economic cycle. Understanding investment analysis method help you identify certain investment opportunity, anticipate future performance and build solid professional management strategy. Investment analysis example. First of all, I discussed 6 types of examples: fundamental analysis, technical analysis, top-down analysis, bottom-down analysis, portfolio analysis, security analysis. Next up, you will learn how these types of analysis differ from each other. First one, fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis focused most on the financial analysis and well-being of a company. These types of analysis help search for stock with significant potential for growth whose intrinsic value might have been negative by the market. Fundamental analysis also help investor assess a company financial soundness, future business and dividend yield potential to see if it would be a valuable investment. Fundamental analysis are usually the one who take long-term interest in investing. Technical analysis. Technical analysis focus on evaluating certain pattern of stock price by on chart calculated by computer. Technical analysis pay attention to price movement, indicate a pattern, trading signal and other analytical charting tools that help identify the strength and weakness of a security. Top-down analysis. The top-down approach focuses on building a portfolio based on macroeconomic factor and market trends. Top-down investor evaluate investment opportunity based on their anticipated of stock market performance. The primary choice for top-down investor is mutual fund and exchange trade funds. If that does not satisfy their need, they also take in individual stock and bonds. Bottom-up analysis. Bottom-up approach focus on metric related to specific company. Bottom-up investment try to estimate the financial health of company, analyzing its financial statement. The metric of financial performance may include profit margin and earning ratio. Portfolio analysis. Portfolio analysis focus on evaluating investment in portfolio. You can use these types also to determine the performance of a fund by comparing it to the benchmark index. Also, portfolio analysis allow seeing whether your funds and derived in an appropriate way. Security analysis. Security analysis focus on determining the strength of single investment. These types of analysis lays the fundamental ground for value investing, which revolves around buying asset that might be understand. Types of investment analysis. Investment analysis can be categorized into various types, each offering approach and tools to assess investment opportunity. Understanding these types can help investors choose the right analysis method to match their investment strategy and objectives. Top-down and bottom-up analysis. Top-down analysis involves starting with the global economy and working down to individual sectors and company. It considers macroeconomic factors such as economic cycle and central bank policy. Identify promising sector before evaluating specific stock within these sectors. Bottom-up analysis focus on individual companies rather than the macroeconomic environment. Investor analysis company-specific factors such as financial health, product quality and management to make investment decisions. Fundamental and technical analysis. Fundamental and technical assess the value of investment by examining related economic, financial, other quantity and qualitative factors. Fundamental analysis study everything from global economic condition to company specific, including earning, expenses, asset and liabilities. Technical analysis used statistical trends gathered from trading activities such as price movement and volume to predict future price movement of stock, bonds or commodity. This analysis assumes that historical trading activities and price change on indicate investment future performance. Quantitative and qualitative analysis. Quantitative analysis involves use of mathematical and statistical modeling, measurement and research evaluating investment. Quantitative analysis use numerical data to pattern and predicted outcomes. Quantitative analysis look non-quality data such as management, expert, industry cycle and brand strength to make investment decision. Thank you.